yours. Dave, someone who doesn't care about anything or anyone. Queenie, rich influencer. She wants everyone to see her all the time. Likes to make everything about her. Host,
So, I think that's everything. This weekend has to be perfect. Make sure it is.
Absolutely.
David, how is the menu coming?
Fantastic as usual.
Of course. It would be. David,
Yes?
check that everyone gets what they need in their rooms.
Right away.
This must be my best party ever. Ah, the first victim. I mean the guest.
Oh, hello. Wonderful to see you. Simply charming. I'm so glad to be invited to a party again. You can never have too much of me. Can you?
Let me have your coat and
Oh, I forgot. I got a dog. Isn't she just a sweetie? Her name is Kibbles. Here, a girl. Oh, well, she's a bit tired. But aren't we all?
I will have David to see you to your room. David,
Here?
check that Queenie here gets the best room in the house.
Of course. Right away.
Oh, you all take care of me so well. By the way, who else is coming?
You will see. It's a very special party this time.
Oh, I'm so excited. I love surprises.
Maybe not this one, however.
चलो, आइए।
Hello there. Oh, you both came at the same.
Why did you invite me to this place? I mean, really, I hate this place and him. Great place you got here. Anytime I go to the country, it makes me sneeze. I must be allergic to nature. I am going to kill you before the weekend is over.
Not so fast. Maybe someone else might do that for you.
What did you say?
Nothing. Just go that way to find your room.
We should tell ghosts to life inside. This place is so creepy.
Let's see. We are expecting 2 more people. Ah, here they are.
I can't believe I decided to come here this weekend.
I am very glad you did. Come in.
I was just saying how quiet is in the country. We weren't talking like at all, but whatever. Oh, is that fruit fresh?
What? No, it's wax. Just for decoration. Come, I'll show you to your rooms. Huh? Where did she go?
I don't know, and I don't care.
Well, she'll find her room eventually. Come, time to start the party.
was stuck in this room. This is ridiculous. I haven't seen the host or a butler for a long time. Have you? We can't even go outside. But the drinks are really good though. Wouldn't you say? I don't care. Where is our host anyway?
Right here.
Sorry, our afternoon walk got cancelled because of the rain.
Oh yes, Kibbles and I was so disappointed. Kibbles needs to have a walk, you know. But at my mansion, we can give her a good walk inside the tennis court. Tennis court? Huh? Who did you say you were? Queenie, have you heard of me? I've heard of you all right. What do you mean by that? Nothing.
Time to eat. Come now, before it gets cold.
Nice word.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
I am getting a little freaked out. By the way, the butler is looking at us.
Oh, hello there. What have I missed?
Oh, nothing. Just dinner.
Oh, look at all of you. Is it already dinner time?
This girl is a nutcase.
I hope you enjoyed your meal. David made this special for you all. Sorry, but I need to go. Something has come up.
What do you mean? Aren't you going to tell us? I'm getting pretty sick of this.
Silence! Thank you, David. It should only be a minute.
Let's go back home. All guests are standing. Phil is trying to choke Jack. He lets go and the lights turn on. And back to me. You didn't see anything. Wait, where is everyone?
What do you mean? We're all here. He's telling that the host, the butler are missing.
Hey, the lights are on. I'm hungry. When do we eat?
My necklace is missing. Do you have my necklace?
What? No.
You're sitting right next to me.
So, what does it do? Come, we can find the necklace and the other people too. Yes, we can. Who are you? I have been hired to solve the mystery.
Which one?
Both of them. And until I do, no one is leaving the house.
I can't stay here. It's too small.
There's going to be a thunderstorm tonight. I can feel it. Everyone is staying right here. First, we must find the host and the staff. Then, we must find the necklace. I won't be split up if we will faster that way. Splitting up is never a good idea. Don't you read mystery novels?
I can't take this anymore. I'm claustrophobic. It's hot in here. I will fail.
Just what we need, Drama Queen. I will go to the attic. Great. I'll go to the kitchen. I'll check the bedroom with Jack, I guess.
Ooh, does that mean I'm going to stay?
Going where?
We'll take the basement.
Meet me back here in half an hour. Good luck. The bedrooms. God, you're practically on top of me. Get away from me. Go, check out another bedroom.
I am not scared. Actually, this is kind of fun. What is that? A knife?
The butler was holding that knife.
And now it is on the floor. Let's look around it. What is that? The butler?
Is the butler dead?
must have been drunk.
So now what?
Let's alert us and not done anything.
Let's find a detective. I don't want to get involved in this mess.
Why did I have to search the attic? Although it's the least likely place anyone would have gone. Wait, I see something shiny. The necklace. How did it come here? Why are basements always so dark and so low? I always hit my head. I hate this already. I want to get out of here. But wait a minute though. Something is interesting about that shape. I don't care about any shape. Especially interesting ones. But that one looks familiar. It's the horse. Is he alive or it seems so? I'm so out of here. The verdict. I found the necklace.
Hey, I'll take that for evidence.
We found the horse. The butler was in a cupboard.
You know nothing. I'm glad you're all back so soon. We have a lot to talk about.
But who did this?
I have some theories. Let me explain.
No, I think we need to do the explaining. Yes. What you here on purpose?
Didn't you hire me though?
Oh yes. But not to solve the mystery.
But then, what did you need me here for?
Needed you here so we could catch you.
Catch me? Doing what?
I am actually the police chief in the town. I have been hearing a run of theft in this area and I had a hunch.
We had a hunch that you were behind these missing items.
Wait, so you were in this too?
We helped by luring you with the theft. Just like your unsolved mysteries. Since I had the jewels,
We thought this would be the perfect time for you to vomit. But I don't know what you're talking about.
Then how about opening your jacket?
But it's evidence. With your fingerprints on it? This is madness. How did I do?
you were super, my friend.
Thanks. Why you?
Nice work everyone.